Okay, today we're going to be doing some tilapia fish, or in fact you can use any whole fish that you like. I'm using tilapia, and we're going to fry that off, and then we're going to make a beautiful, as you can see, garlic and mild. It's a very mild chili in there. It's got a bit of a kick, but not too much, with a kind of sweet and sour. Super, super easy. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's get started here. So I've got 2 tilapia fish that have been cleaned, meaning that these have been cut off, the back pieces have been cut off, the guts have been taken out, and they've been descaled. Now you might see that I've cut some, well, I've scored the fish on both sides like that, just down to the bone. Simply what we're going to do is we're going to get a lot, or quite a lot of salt onto both sides. We're going to rub that in, and then we're going to get over and we're going to fry these in some oil. It looks like an enormous amount of salt, and it actually is, but it's going to work out just fine. Okay, to the cooker we go. Okay, so I've got, like, 3 or 4 centimeters of oil there, getting it really hot. I'm using sunflower oil, by the way. You could be using something different. We're going to drop our fish in and we're going to cook them for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. It's going to be quite noisy, I think. Let's go. Okay, off goes the heat. They're looking absolutely wonderful. Let's get them out, put them on a plate and set them aside. Okay, so our fish is done. And by the way, some people fry their fish with flour. I just don't like it like that. So if you want, you can coat it in flour and fry it. But for me, no thanks. Right, 4 ingredients now. Garlic. So we've got like 2 or 3 tablespoons. Sugar. Now I'm using a white sugar. If you had coconut sugar, that would be great. I just don't have any with me, so I'm just using a white sugar. And again, there's like 3 tablespoons there. White vinegar or clear vinegar. There's, half a cup or a cup there. We're going to play around with this a little bit, and then the peppers. That you can see, I've got that pepper there. Now these are chili, but they're not that hot. They're kind of a cross between a pepper, a bell pepper, and a chili. So they've got a bit of a spice to them, but not like the small ones that we use in like Indian curries, for example, and cut really small. And you can see the amount. There's twice the amount to the garlic. Let's get back to the cooker. Okay, so we've got a wok or a pan here. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. We're going to drop in the chili. And the garlic. Like I say, I like a kind of 2 to 1 garlic to the chili. And you can play around with that as much as you want. So we're on a fairly lively heat, and we're just going to go for like 2 minutes. Fantastic, that's coming together just after a couple of minutes. Now I like to add a little bit of black pepper into the mix. And then simply we're going to add our sugar and the vinegar. And like I said, I'm using this white sugar. You can use white sugar, brown sugar. But ideally what you want is coconut sugar, which unfortunately I don't have. And then goes that vinegar. So staying on this high heat, we're going to go for about another 2 to 3 minutes. And then this will be done. And there you go, absolutely beautiful. Very, very easy to make. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.